What's up, y'all? This is going to be just a super quick video. I was kind of trying to look through my locks to see if I can figure out my twists, to see what's mature on my twists and what if I can see the difference of where the twists stop or stop and the interlocks start. So I think I found one where I can actually finally see. I didn't know if it'd be better for me to see with the let me turn this light on. I didn't know if it would be better for me to see with this green out of my hair or what, but I think I can figure it out. So I think I got about, where's the light? Oh. I think I got about 4 inches of twists, and you can see maybe 2 of it is a little more mature. So let me show you guys. So I was looking in some of my bigger locks. My bigger locks are in the back. Then my front are smaller. So let's just take one of these. Either one should do. Let's go with. So I'm gonna try to get as close as possible so you guys can see. Now, this is like the lock that I twisted last week. As you guys know, I washed out my locks, my retwist. I washed my retwist out, and then I didn't retwist my hair again for like 8 weeks or some shit. Like it was a minute. Or I can't remember for sure, but I washed it out. So this is all new. It's a lot, but it's all new. And then this is twisted. And I think this starts my interlock right in this area here. And that's pretty hard. I won't say it's hard, but you can definitely tell it's maturing. And then down here, I can't tell if it was 2-strand twist, a braid, an interlock. I don't know, because my 2-strand twist will unravel all the time. So there's no telling what it is on the end. But yeah, you guys, can you tell? Can you tell the difference of where the interlock starts, where the twist stops? But I would say that this is where the interlock starts. And so all this is twist. And this is older twist here. And this is, of course, newer, fresher twist here. That's not matured or anything at all yet. But this one is starting to mature. I don't know if it's fully mature. It doesn't feel fully mature because it's pretty soft. But yeah, so the interlock is starting like right in here. And it's like hard. And then my 2-strand is probably somewhere down in here. So there is a full lock. You can pretty much see the wrapping of the twist. So you can see it is maturing. I've been doing it almost a year now. So let's just look at another one for shits and giggles. Let me get one that's like eye level here. That's not. Yeah. I don't know which one I pulled, but again, fresher twist here, older twist. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like my interlocks. Let's twist. Looks like my interlock started maybe right in here. So this maybe what, 1.5 to 2 inches is more mature twist. This is more of a recent newer twist. And then as far as the ends, what is 2-strand or any of that, I do not know. I cannot tell where it starts and stops at all, but you know, most of it is shriveled up anyway. Shrunk, you know, our hair shrinks with the locks, so. But yeah, can you guys tell? So that's just a quick little update on my twist. Hopefully that helps somebody. That actually just helped my dang on self, because I was like, I wonder how much twist I actually have, because it all pretty much just blends together. To me, it all pretty much just blends together. So I can kind of tell it's probably maybe around 4 inches total of twist, and then the rest is from the interlocks and how I started them with the 2-strand twist, or fixed it with the braid interlock or a coil. So yeah, for about 4 inches of retwist, you guys, and 2 of it is almost mature, I would say. So I started them at 1 year, and I'm at 10 months. So it looks like it's taking maybe the twist longer to mature, but I don't know. I think our locks are small. And they look mature at a certain stage, but they're not always mature. So even like my interlocks looked mature at a certain stage, but they wasn't actually all the way mature. So who knows when my interlocks actually all the way matured. When you're just trusting the process, you're not really, for me, I wasn't really focusing like, oh, have my, you know, they looked mature, so I was good with that. But I wasn't focusing on, oh, when did they finally mature? Was it at 1 year? Was it at 1.5 years? Was it last week? You know, I don't know. So, but that's the progress of it right now. Mature, maturing, and fresh. So, hope this helps somebody, and I'll check y'all later. Bye.